What's going on, traders? Welcome back to a daily recap. Today I only made one trade, and I'm actually gonna call it early. I did not like the price action pretty much after 9 o'clock. It was a little slow, a little choppy, and for me, Fridays usually end up being red, so I just wanted to call it a day. 50 bucks in the bank, and yeah, I'll just rather start on Monday fresh. So let's go over the chart. When I came in, this candle was pretty much very bearish, and we did have some news at 7:30 this morning, so pretty much a big sell-off. I guess the numbers, when they came out, people didn't like them. As you can see, this huge candle was at 45 tick candle. Jesus Christ. So obviously people didn't like the numbers, and I had my notes here. I said we had a huge sell-off at 7:30. The market might take it all back. Usually, sometimes when they have these huge sell-offs, market trying to take it back and just continue to whatever it's doing. And that's a range day is possible. Continuation to downtrend is not out of the question, or to the downside is not out of the question. And then stay with the short-term trends to stay on the right side of the market. So basically, I had two measured moves here, one here and then one over here. Let me change. And basically you have a sell-off here, and then you have a nice little downtrend and break a new low already in place. And I drew my trend channel or trend line like this. I mean, I guess you can go like this, but that's, I don't think that's, I don't know, I like this better in my opinion. Something like this, or even like this. And you see it's a kind of like a nice 45 degree angle. And usually, so pretty much the first three trades that I saw that I wanted to take was pretty much this triple test here with a break and a new low expected. As you can see, price is working down, and you have a nice break and a new low, and you also get a triple test. Actually, more than triple tests, multiple tests, and it's a nice bearish bar. I actually did not get filled on this. It went pretty fast, so I didn't get filled, unfortunately, which is whatever, no big deal. And then also right after that, you get pretty much a lower high and a second entry short. So you have new low, first entry short, second entry short. And I did get filled on this, but as you saw in the video early, I got out early just because you're still expecting a new low from this trend channel right here, right? So the idea was right, and it's lower high, but the reason, emotions got to me, and that's something that's everybody has to learn how to deal with. And the reason I got out is because I saw this bar closed above the EMA, and I didn't really like that. I mean, you are trading with overall trend, so the trend is on your side. I should have just kept it and just see what happens, and of course it ended up working out, but I only got out with like a 50 bucks profit. No big deal. And then I also wanted to trade this failed second entry long. So you have new high, first entry long, second entry long failure, and I did have my order ready to go, but I need to start trading this with the stop orders, just because these moves happen, these failures happen really fast, and the limit order does not work. I mean, you wouldn't not know if the price would come back this far, because I mean, if you have your limit order here, obviously the price would come back and then fill you, but you don't know, right? You don't, this is what you're looking at. So I had my limit order right here, and the price never came back and filled me, and it's a pretty nice failure. And the only reason I was a little skeptical about this trade is because you're going short into recent overnight highs. I mean, the overnight lows, I'm sorry. Yeah, so you see how the overnight lows here? So there is a bit of a resistance here, so I mean, you do have enough room to get out, so that's the main thing. But yeah, I was so I really wanted to trade these 3 trades, and so I did want to trade these 3 trades, but you know, it is what it is. So the price finally breaks the support level here, or I should say overnight lows, and keeps going down. You do get a second entry short here as well. You see how there's a trend working down pretty nice. That is a break and you expect a new low. The problem with this is for me on my chart, the signal bar is very neutral, so and it's a little bit far away from the EMA. I like to be a little bit closer, but it is an overall trend, and aggressive trade, and also you have a break and new low already played out. So again, if you have a better signal bar, I probably would have taken it, but my signal bar is just neutral. And that's pretty much it. That's how I saw it. And then after that, when I saw this forming, I kind of lost interest. And you know, like I said, for me, Fridays are very red, historically speaking. Yeah, Monday is Columbus Day, and I thought that we're gonna have a 3-day weekend, but it is markets are open, so basically a normal day. So hopefully you had a good Friday, enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Thanks, bye.